Customize the lighting on OMEN gaming computers or peripheral devices from OMEN Command Center, a tool where you can customize your OMEN settings and features. From Start or the Windows taskbar, open OMEN Command Center. Click Lighting, and then choose the area or zone you want to customize. From the Mode section, the available lighting methods or styles display for the chosen zone. For example, if you chose the keyboard zone, the available modes can be animation, static, and off. Click Off to dim all lighting for the zone. Click Static to assign single colors to specific areas of the keyboard. If you do not like excessive motion or get easily distracted when gaming, this mode does not include any movement but still showcases the keyboard's lighting. Static mode also supports customized lighting areas using keyboard templates. More simply put, it supports different finger placements, such as WASD, to accommodate the game or type of game you are playing. If you really want to show off your OMEN's capabilities, choose Animation mode. From the Effect drop-down menu, choose what type of animation you want the keyboard to display. Some effects even use the OMEN hardware to create the animation. The audio pulse effect, for example, creates an animation from the bass and treble in the sound you are currently playing. Customize the lighting, speed, and other settings, and then click Apply to begin displaying your new lighting layout. Choose the next lighting zone you want to customize and make any desired adjustments. Because of how many zones can be customized, there are an endless number of different configurations you can create for your OMEN computer or peripheral. Some zones even support creating multi-phase light shows to really brighten your day. With all zones customized and saved, your OMEN computer or peripheral will mesmerize your eyes with a rich gaming experience.